What if I asked you, how do you make money online in 2026? What would you honestly tell me? Ship a product out to an Amazon warehouse where they store it and charge you a storing fee, and then when they sell it, if they sell it, they chop a part of the profit and then give you what's left? Or do you put something up on Etsy, on a massive platform competing with the whole world, and then again, when you sell it, if you sell it, they take a big part of your profit? Pay Shopify, compete with the whole world for something which a really small margin, have to sell so much of the thing. There is a better way of doing this. I literally have made over $30,000 the past year selling my knowledge online, and you could learn to do the exact same thing. Let me explain to you how this works. And by the way, if you want to check any of this stuff out, I put links in the description to the Profitable Creators Club. It's available for you, and also a freebie that goes through everything that I want to go through with you today. All right, so let's talk about this. What makes this different? Let me explain this. The fact that you're creating your own platform. YouTube right now is an amazing place to be able to talk about what you already know. You see, people connect with people. You don't need to compete against the whole world. There is just one of you. And when you're building your own brand and somebody feels connected to you, they're gonna wanna sit down and listen to what you have to say. And it doesn't matter who else there is, because there's only one of you, one of one. Makes it pretty amazing, right? Every one of us has an unfair advantage. We already know something, right? That we've been talking about forever. Think about it. First thing somebody asks you when they meet you is, hey, what do you do for a living? Why do they do that? Because you either have something in common or they want to stack you in the ecosystem, financial status. What if you were able to use that as leverage? Yes, you have to create content. And yes, of course, in the beginning, it's a skill that you have to develop. The first time you rode a bicycle, was that easy? No, it was a little bit scary. First time you jumped into a swimming pool, how did that go for you, right? A skill that you needed to develop. But then after you develop that skill, you never thought about it again, right? Riding the bicycle, swimming, doing any of these things just came natural. It's the same thing. Whatever it is you're doing for a living, you could literally grab a camera and talk about it. And if you could educate the next person how to do the same thing, now you have leverage. All you have to do is create literally a stack of digital assets, which is exactly what I'm doing right here. Educate the end user. And if somebody is enjoying this, they like the engagement, right? Then two things will happen, and hopefully you'll do the same. Hit the subscribe and hit the like button so YouTube knows, one, that this content is relevant to people just like you who are trying to find this information online. So that is my number one. Literally, it all starts with content. Let's talk about number two. Number two, guys, is understanding how valuable the content actually is. And you don't ever really realize that until you start running paid ads. Because the second you start paying for paid ads, two things happen. One, it drains your wallet super fast. It is so expensive. 1 week ago, Google will recommend you do a minimum of like $50 per day. You literally watch that money disappear like you're filling up your car with gas. That is number one. Number two, you're praying that within the time that you're running that ad, somebody can get convinced and build enough goodwill and trust that they would consider buying from you. That is why content is so important, because through content, you're literally able to go on a platform like YouTube. People jump in there, they type in the thing that's bothering them. Videos start popping up. The more content you have, the quicker it is that you get on that list, right? YouTube starts recommending your videos. And then the game starts. Now what? Your goal is to take that viewer and turn them into a prospect. So how do we do that? Let's talk about number three, which is your backend system, guys. I personally use something called system.io. It's available via link in the description of this video. What system.io does for me is it literally takes my traffic, which is people like you watching my videos who want to learn more, right? And to enter my world, all they have to do is literally click a link in the description of this video, put in their name and their email, and now they start receiving my emails. And now we're connected. They learn more about the thing, we stay in touch, they get more educated, they get more value. And if they like the value that they're receiving from me, from you, then ultimately they're gonna want to invest in more, and that's perfectly okay. The quickest way that I've learned in my lifetime to accelerate from 1 to 10 is by learning from somebody who's already doing it. It literally cuts the journey like by so much. And the thing is this, could I figure things out by myself? Yes, but do I want to? How much would that cost me? Versus doing a small investment into somebody who's already done it. I've done that time and time again in my life, and it allowed me to move through things so much faster. And that is the idea. That's what I'm talking about, you learning how to implement, okay? So in the description of this video, you will find a link to the Profitable Creators Club. We're also working on the Profitable Creator Accelerator, which is a program just like this, where we could start doing cohorts and teach you how to do all of that. If you want to take advantage of a freebie, something that walks you through the journey, check it out, it's there for you. And also my backend system, which is system.io. It's literally where I create all my sales pages, all my email nurture campaigns are at, all my checkout pages. It is phenomenal. You can get an absolutely free account, not a trial account, a free account where you can literally start doing everything that I'm talking about right now, today, for free. Once you start growing, even a paid account starts like $25 a month. Again, very inexpensive to get started. So next time you're thinking about how do I make money in 2026 online? Where do I go? This is all so confusing. Guys, cut out the noise. Start building an audience around the thing that you already know how to do. You do it on YouTube because YouTube is a search engine. YouTube will bring the visitors, all right? And if they like what they have to hear, then you just gotta learn how to take that visitor from being a viewer to a prospect, which is everything that you learn in the Profitable Creators Club. All right, guys? I appreciate you guys being here. If you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe so YouTube knows to take this video and put it in front of other people just like yourself who are looking for this information. You could totally do all this. Not very difficult, just another skill that you learn, just like riding your bike, just like swimming in a swimming pool. Okay, I appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you for watching this, and I'll catch you again on my next video. Take care.